Okay, so I wanted to do this because every single tutorial that I have seen for how to make a star grid for perspective is for the old Photoshop, and this is for um, 22.1. So it took me forever to figure out what the heck, because they all said, pick the star tool here, but there is no star tool, right? So shut up, like polygon thing, right? So all of them say go to polygon, you know, go pixels, and then you have this all looks different, right? So I think this number of sides, what it'll have here, and then there's like this menu is different. So the star ratio is like completely opposite from star indent thing. Um, so I actually got it to um, do it by putting 1%. As you can see, it goes here, and there you go. Because before, no, it it was saying like because I had put it like the tutorial always said like 99, so I assumed it was the same thing, and no, it just doesn't feel like that. Um, so like completely for 1% start. Yeah, I have it. Yeah, that's it. Um, so because like I said, I know like every single thing I've Googled shows the old Photoshop, so hopefully this helps somebody.